Starting around 05 April 2024, really smooth love elixir in every practical sense is exchanging at dollars out of 5.1 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 146% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. SLP explicitly has a sort of complete market cap of $212, 124, 118 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $17.90 and 94, or so they generally thought. This makes genuinely smooth love elixir SLP in every practical sense, positioning at $299 in the digital currency market, which basically is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the truly smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2024, what will pretty smooth love mixture, in every practical sense, be extremely worth in 2024, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking? Is smooth love elixir a kind of wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2024 in a significant manner? Will SLP cost explicitly outperform its untouched essentially high in an unpretentious manner? These in a real sense are our truly smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future. Smooth love elixir SLP value expectation 2024 as per the kind of smooth love mixture estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the SLP cost explicitly is supposed to basically cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.73. The normal truly least value worth of essentially smooth love elixir toward the finish of the very current year ought to truly be $71 in a very enormous manner. Besides, SLP can arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $78, or so they sort of thought. Smooth love elixir value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the for the most part greatest cost for in every practical sense, smooth love mixture could basically stretch around $157. So this explicitly makes sort of smooth love mixture SLP truly positioning at $299 in the cryptographic money market, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of SLP in April 2024 truly is $95 with a genuinely normal cost of $55, showing how moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in April 2024 in a real sense is $95 with a really normal cost of $155 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love mixture value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of kind of smooth love elixir explicitly is supposed to explicitly be at around a very least of $55, exhibiting that in every practical sense. Smooth love elixir value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of certainly smooth love elixir basically is supposed to for the most part be at around a very least of $55 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Smooth love mixture cost can in every practical sense arrive at an especially limit of $159 with a very normal cost of $157 in USD, or so they for the most part thought. Smooth love mixture value expectation June 2024. The cost of especially smooth love elixir is generally anticipated to especially reach at any rate worth of $57 in June 2024 in a truly significant way. The SLP cost could sort of arrive at an especially greatest worth of $61 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $59 all through 2024. So this for the most part makes commonly smooth love elixir SLP fundamentally positioning at $299 in the cryptographic money market, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir value forecast July 2024. The cost of truly smooth love mixture generally is most certainly anticipated to truly reach at a fundamentally least worth of $58 in July 2024, which basically is genuinely critical. The SLP cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $64 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $61 all through 2024, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture SLP value figure August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of kind of smooth love elixir essentially is fundamentally anticipated to essentially arrive at a very normal cost of $63. While the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $66 and at least $61 in a genuinely significant manner, smooth love elixir SLP value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, most certainly smooth love mixture cost by and large is gauged to arrive at a least cost of $63. which essentially shows that starting around 05 April 2024, truly smooth love elixir for the most part is exchanging at $51 in term of its erst rate with a value change of 146% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. The SLP cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $69 with the extremely normal expected cost around $65. For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture SLP value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, beautiful smooth love elixir value sort of is gauged to arrive at a practically the least cost of $65. So really smooth love mixture value forecast July 2024. The cost of certainly smooth love mixture truly is basically anticipated to especially reach at a genuinely least worth of under 58 in July 2024 in an especially significant way. The SLP cost could basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $72 with the very normal expected cost around $68, which certainly is very huge. Smooth love elixir value expectation November 2024. The cost of certainly smooth love mixture generally is truly anticipated to basically reach at any rate worth of $68 in November 2024, showing the way that the SLP cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $69 with the especially normal expected cost around $65 in a kind of huge manner. The SLP cost could in a real sense arrive at a really greatest worth of $75 with the in every way that really matters. Normal exchanging worth of $71 all through 2024, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. SLP value estimate December 2024. The fundamentally smooth love elixir gauge for December 2024 expects that the SLP might arrive at a truly greatest worth of $78 with a very least cost of around $71 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the typical value SLP can truly stretch around $73 for December in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture fundamentally past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been somewhat diminished by 377% in its truly current worth, which truly is genuinely huge. In the event that we basically look at the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love mixture for the most part is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, showing the way that the SLP cost could basically arrive at a truly greatest cost of $72 with the by and large normal expected cost around $68, or so they in a real sense thought. The SLP in a real sense is down to nearly 15.92% in the very most recent 7 days, showing the way that discussing the truly normal value SLP can basically stretch around $73 for December in a by and large significant manner. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for especially past in every practical sense.